Hey everybody, it's Maria. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? Hang on. Let me bring this back. We're continuing Shinedown's Sound of Madness, which is right now, with What a Shame. Oh my gosh. My bonus mom absolutely loves this song. She played it over and over. I can't even. And I know this looks like the older way of the way I used to do things, which it is kind of. But the only thing different really, is there's no like extra camera and picture in the corner, simply because my other camera is not here anymore. It still works. I just have my setup. I literally had it had it redone for my video game channel, so I could use the capture card that I was telling y'all about. But you guys will still hear the audio from my laptop. Um, and I'll have the lyrics in front of me, so you probably won't see me doing this or doing that, bopping around to it. I usually don't do that anyway to begin with. So I hope you guys don't mind this new setup because this is pretty much how we're going to do it from now on. Yes, I am aware that I said that about the previous change, but this is just easier for me. If you, I mean, literally, there would be no sense to bring the old camera back because this one, what do you want me to do? Hold the other camera up here so you can see the cover art when I have it right here in my hand? No, we're not doing that. I don't need that kind of stress. I really don't. Um, I'm going to give a quick shout out for the person that made this lyric video, Zers Lyrics. Zers Lyrics. So subscribe to them if you wouldn't mind. I personally don't know this person, but hey, supporting another YouTuber in my book. Zers, I hope you don't mind me utilizing your lyrics video for my own personal video. Again, guys, if any of your lyrics videos, if you guys have a problem with it, please, leave a comment on my videos or community tab or Discord. Let me know somehow if you don't want me using your videos, and then I'll stop doing it. There's no need to block my video. Just say, hey, look, could you please just not use my lyrics video? I'm not using it in my video, but I am using the audio. So out of respect, I'm just saying, if you guys don't want me using your stuff, just kindly just let me know, and I will stop doing so. Okay? Let me take a sip of my soda, and we will get started. By the way, latest episode of SmackDown is uploading right now on EV Soldier 96's Gaming and on my TikTok. I actually got it to work this time. So check that out whenever you get a chance. So hang on. Gotta keep the vocals playing. All that said, I hope my bonus bomb doesn't kill me. I hope I don't screw this up. But here is What a Shame by Shinedown from the Sounds of Madness. Get a cigarette today, the strongest whiskey Kentucky can make. That's a recipe to put a bag of on his hands and knees. I looked up close, I knew him more than most. I saw a side of him that he never showed. For sympathy, for a world that wouldn't let him be. That's the man he was. Have you heard him now? What a shame, what a shame. To judge a life that you can't change. The choir sings, the church bells ring. So won't you give this man his wings? What a shame to have to beg you to see we're not all the same. What a shame. Okay, I need to go to my lower register. Okay, that's better. silver spoon. There's a touch of gray for every shade of blue. That's the way I say life. There's nothing wrong, that there'll be nothing right. A working man, they said it barely said there's gonna be a better place to land. Some kind of remedy for a world that wouldn't let him be. That's the man it was. Have you heard of it now? What a shame, what a shame. The judge of life that you can't change. Why it seems the church feels ring. So won't you give this man his wings? What a shame to have to beg you to see that we're not all the same. What a shame. Yeah, I know, I messed this one up. Part of it. Oh well. God forgive the hands that laid you down. I never knew how much a broken heart can break the sound and change the season. Never leaves are falling faster, happily ever after. Well, you can hope and hope endeavor. Now you hope you last forever. What a shame, what a shame. To judge a life that you can't change. Quiet saints, the church knows right. So won't you give this man his wings? What a shame to have to beg you to see we're not all the same. What a shame, 'cause we're not all the same. We're not all the same. Yeah, I know what y'all are gonna say before y'all even say it. Bro, you botched it. Well, um, I thought it's another episode of I Thought I Knew It, and I do that a lot. I notice that a lot. I do that a lot. Or I think I know a song at the back of my hand, and well, my brain says, "Bitch, please! I'm amazed you remember this or that or hither and yon." Uh, I hope you guys enjoyed something of it anyway. What a Shame by Shinedown. They sing it better than I do. But I will do a review on this album overall on my Patreon whenever you guys get a chance. Patreon.com/MarioOrduno. EVSoldier96's Gaming is where you go for gaming content from me. All that good stuff. If you guys have any requests, I will honestly, genuinely try to learn y'all's a bit better than I would mine, the ones I pick. If you guys request something, I'm gonna sit on it for a day or two and actually try to learn it, I promise. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed What a Shame or got something out of it, and I'll see you next time. So, peace!